In this video, you are going to see how to group text and image in Microsoft PowerPoint. Let's get started. Go to Insert, go to Picture, go to this device. Let us insert a picture from my computer. Click on this picture, click on Insert. Then the image will be inserted. Let us decrease its size and place it like this. Now go to Insert, go to Shape, pick a text box and drag it over here. And let us add some text here. If you want to change the fill color of the text, select the text and go to over here and change the color. Now if you want to group these two, click on the border of the text box and hold down the Ctrl key and click on the image. Now click on right button, go to group and click on group. Then it will be grouped. There is another way. Let us go to home, go to select, click on selection pane. Now click on the text box and hold down the Ctrl key and select the picture. Now go to over the image, click on right button, go to group and group it. And you can move it. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.